Hey guys, it's the Cool Builder back with another Minecraft show. Built a crane. I built a crane. We built a bulldozer. We built this thing, and I still don't know what it's called. And we built the digger. So now we're just going to surround off the area to make it like sort of restricted. So yep, let's do this. Let's do this. Oh, I almost forgot that this is part one of surrounding of this area to make it sort of restricted. And if you hear something in the background, that's the air conditioner going on and watching TV too. And if you see me pause a little bit, I'm sorry for that. I'm just watching TV. I'm watching TV and building at the same time, which is lol. Maybe let's not make the fence too high. So not what kind of be like a military base. So I don't really care of like the height, I'm just like building a fence, that's all. And if you want to make it like into a little tutorial, that would be fine. I'm not really like telling like the width and this stuff. Just make a fence in any sort of video. But like the tractors and stuff could be like a tutorial. But the fence, nah. I'll make tutorials later when I'm good at building, I guess. Well, I'm a good builder at homes. Got more modern to homes. So, I play Roblox, guys. My username is, oh god. My Samsung TV is glitching out a little bit. Because I was tapping it a little bit hard later, earlier. Which was stupid. Oh, but there's a break, so, because all things have reactions to, the things that you do. But anyway, my Roblox username is Ordinary Shanker, which is different from my Minecraft username, Ordinary Shanker. You could, send me a friend request or follow me. I don't really have any Robux. I tried the hacks, but it didn't work. If the creator of Roblox is looking at this, can you please like make customization of your Roblox character for free? Because I don't really like staying in the same clothing. I mean, like, there's different clothing, but I wear them all the time, and it's a little bit annoying. So, can you please like make customization of your character free? I mean, like the stuff, like the fancy stuff, they could be available for Robux, but you know, like just regular stuff. Like I want army clothing, and maybe a Roblox ice general armor, and a laser gun. That's all I'm asking for. We're gonna end it right. Yeah, we're gonna end this video right there. This is part 1 of making the fence of the construction site. Looks pretty cool. So, but I hope I'll see you in the next video. Part 2 of this show. It's Minecraft construction buddy shows, I guess. I just need a new name for it. So, yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you like and subscribe. Yeah. So, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, people. Cool builder out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and you know, but like chat in the comments. I'm trying to reach to like 10 subscribers and 10 likes. Don't forget to chat in the comments because I don't really have enough comments, and YouTubers like me get comments. Kind of feel like I'm left alone and nobody's like looking at my videos. I mean, like, there's views, but you know, like, nobody's subscribing, nobody's liking my videos. Some of my videos none of you have ever seen, and I uploaded them. I'm not trying to say that I want like all the attention. I'm not saying that I want all the attention, but I just want you guys to like and subscribe. And, my goal is to reach to 10 likes and 10 subscriptions. That's all I want. Please. 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 Please, 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 please. 10 likes and 10 subscriptions. And chat on the comments below and tell me what I should do next. Please. Because I feel lonely. Some of you haven't seen my videos yet. So please, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.